I already got the Tiiroy Ozone machine. I love Ozone machines. I also, among my many talents, I am a real estate agent. For me, this is one of the things that I have to have in my real estate agent kit, and I keep one in my car because you never know when you're going to need to pull a smell out of a house. Comes packed nicely in styrofoam, packaged very safely, comes with a user's manual. It's very simple to use, and it comes with a no entry sign so that you can hang it on the door or in your door in a room. More than likely you're going to use it individually in separate rooms or in an auto or something like that. But it will do up to 4,000 square feet according to the manufacturer. It has a 3-foot cable on it. This thing has a handle on it, which is great, and it weighs about maybe 2 pounds. It's a nice metal unit. Very simple to use. So on the back here, there's an on-off switch. Turn it on, it lights up, and now you are ready to use it any way you want. It's got 2 different ways you can do it. You can slide this over to the right, and it kicks on, and you can use it in a hold position. That way you'll have to manually turn it off, or you can use it by timer, and it'll go all the way up to 2 hours on timer. You just crank the timer up, let it go, and it'll shut down after the time setting is over. Very simple to use, very effective to use. I've got the window cracked back here just because I'm using the Ozone machine. You don't really want to use this with people in the room or pets or plants. Anything that breathes oxygen. These things are great for pulling all kinds of smells out of houses. Pet smells, cigarette smells, any type of odor, must, mildew, that kind of stuff. You run this Ozone machine in there for a set amount of time. See if you've got the smell pulled out of there. If not, rinse, repeat, do it again. These are great for if you bought a used car or if you have a smoker in your family and you want to pull the smoke smell out of a car, you can run it inside of the car and it'll do that. That's a great thing. So if you're looking for a small, portable, lightweight ozone generator to use in your house or in your field of business, check out this one by Tiiroy. Check it out.